first time tuning in, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much. Okay y'all, so today's video is going to be over the new Shea Moisture line, which is the Manuka honey and the yogurt line. I had 5 products that I was trying out for y'all. Y'all know my mind is bad, so do not judge me. After each product, I put notes in my phone so I can give y'all the real tea and give a very thorough review on how I felt about the product. So I have a lot of the information in my phone, so I may be looking down at that. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So the first product that I want to talk about is the shampoo, because I'm going to go in the order that I tried the product. So the first one was the shampoo. So it says Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. This sulfate-free shampoo works alone to gently cleanse hair and strengthen strands from root to tip when used with our conditioner. Okay, so the shampoo is $10.49. All these products are sold exclusively at Ulta.com, or you can find them in the Ulta store. Let me just go ahead and give y'all a little tip with Ulta. I'm a fan of Ulta. I get the Ulta books that they send to the house that have the coupon. So every so often they'll have a coupon that's $3.50 off of a $15 purchase. But if you don't get it in the mail, then you can just go to Ulta.com and you can pull it up on your phone and screenshot it, and when you get ready to check out, you can just show it. So boom, that's for anything. I'm just not saying just for these products, but that's just for future reference. When you go to Ulta, just always go online and see if they have that $3.50 off. Okay, so now back to the shampoo. So I actually like the shampoo. I felt like the shampoo was very creamy and very rich. It had like a shine to it. Kind of reminded me like of an old school shampoo that I can't remember the name of it. I like the smell. Let me say this about this particular line. The smell of these products reminded me of the Manuka honey and Mafura oil line. And I really like that smell because it was very subtle. So the smell was cool. The consistency of the product was great. The lather, off the chain. Now that's if you like lather. I felt like I got a lot of lather from the shampoo, but I like lather, okay? I'm just one of those people, if I'm getting a lot of lather, then I feel like my hair is getting clean. It felt very smooth. That's the word I was looking for. It felt smooth when I was washing it. I mean, just excellent slip, everything. And I don't know if I already said this, but I do feel like my hair had a shine to it after I washed with this shampoo. So all in all, I like the shampoo. Would I recommend you get the shampoo? It depends. If you're a product junkie and you want to get everything in the entire line, then get the shampoo. Do I think that you need the shampoo if you have like dry, brittle hair, which is the market that they're catering to? Probably not. I feel like if you're on a budget, you probably could skip the shampoo, only because I feel like there are other products in the line that you should try if you're trying to find something that is going to moisturize and hydrate your hair the most. Okay, so next we have the Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. The conditioner is the same price as the shampoo. It's $10.49. I don't know if I told you how big it was, so it's 10.3 fluid ounces each of both of these products. So the conditioner, y'all, this conditioner was so thick. It was so thick, I low-key was afraid to like comb through it. And the reason why I say that is because sometimes when companies come out with new lines, they'll have a co-wash. I'm a fan of co-washes because I feel like the main thing for co-washes is to help you detangle, and that's what I need help with, detangling. So when I didn't see a co-wash in this line, I was a little skeptical, like, oh Lord, they don't have a co-wash. What am I gonna do? Y'all, like I said, this conditioner was thick. So what I did was I wet my hair and then I put some of the conditioner on. Now let me put this out there in the atmosphere. A little goes a long way. This stuff is thick, so you don't have to put a lot on your section. So I wet my hair, I put the conditioner on, and then I combed through it. And I was actually surprised that it was easy to comb through. I felt like it did a good job of detangling my hair. My hair felt really soft when I was using this conditioner. Not harsh at all. Like I say, it may be thick, but it was very gentle on my hair, and my hair felt really soft, and the slip was amazing. Once I put this conditioner over all my hair, and rinsed it out, y'all, my hair felt so good. Like, it felt really good. My curls felt very hydrated after using this product. Now, if you have dry hair, would I recommend the conditioner? Of course, because I feel like the conditioner is one of the products in the line that you need to try in order to, if you're looking for hydration and things of that nature for your hair. So yes, I would definitely recommend picking up the conditioner. Now let me put this out there, because I don't know if I've already said this. If you have very fine hair, very thin hair, this line may not be the line for you, only because the products may weigh your hair down. So I'm not saying don't try it. I'm just saying if you do try it and it weighs your hair down, it weighs your hair down, and you're like, oh my God, I hate it, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it could be just because it was just too much, the ingredients and all that was just too much for your type of hair. So just keep that in mind. So again, I did like the conditioner. I would recommend spending $10.49 on this conditioner. Okay, so after I rinse the conditioner off, I use the protein power treatment. The protein power treatment is $11.49. Y'all, this protein power treatment, where do I start? Let me just say this. You know, I low-key was hoping that this particular treatment would give me the same result as the Manuka honey and Maffira oil, because that deep conditioner from that particular line was like one of my favorite products of 2017. I absolutely loved it. This protein power treatment, y'all, very thick. I even think this may be a little thicker than that. This is very thick, and although it doesn't look like it's that big, it's not as big as some of the containers for like deep conditioners from Shea Moisture lines. I have a lot of hair, and I think I don't even use half. Yeah, I think I use maybe like a third of my, maybe not even a third, maybe like 25% of the product on my hair, and I put it on from root all the way down to my ends. And I felt like, and I kept, once I did one section, I did the other sections, and I went back and added it because I wanted to get the full effect of the product. Okay, let me, it says apply a quarter size amount from root to ends, paying particular attention to damaged ends. Leave on hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. So what I did was I left this bad boy on for an hour. Okay, I had things to do. I put it on. I put a plastic cap on, and then I think I watched a TV show, and then I rinsed it out because I wanted to get the full effect. Now, if you have been watching my channel, you already know when I talk about deep conditioning my hair that I tend to use a deep conditioner and an oil just to add a little bit of moisture to my hair. I did not do this with this protein, what is it, protein power? I did not do this with the protein power treatment. I only put this particular product on by itself to see how it worked standing alone, and I was pleasantly surprised and shocked at the results. I absolutely love this product. I cannot wait to use it again. My hair felt very soft, very silky, very moisturized, very hydrated. I mean, this is just like love in like this little container in this jar. Like this product, yes. If you don't get anything else from the product and you have dry hair and you want to try something, try the protein power treatment. You will not be disappointed. Let me see if I left everything off because we're going through kind of quick. Let me see. Great slip. I don't know if I said that. I did say that my hair felt soft and moisturized, and it gave my curls a pop. Like my curls had really good definition after using this product. So I absolutely love this product. This is a must get. Okay, so the next product we have is the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This product is $11.49. It is a spray bottle. I absolutely love spray bottles. Now, let me go ahead and point this out. I know this is probably small to y'all, but it's important to me. Some products I have that have spray bottles, when you spray, it's like, I mean, the product is directly on your hair in that particular spot. This one, I feel like, you see how you spray and it's just kind of like a mist, you know what I'm saying? It's more of a mist around. Now, I thought that I was going to do one spray and be able to twist. That was not the case. I think I sprayed each section maybe 3 times. And I also got my wide tooth comb and just maybe did comb through it once or twice. only because I know my hair, and I feel like me just spraying something, that means it's gonna be laying right on the top of my hair. So I needed to get my comb in order to comb through to make sure that the product was dispersed on that particular section, dispersed evenly on my hair. So how do I feel about this product? I think the product is okay. The reason why I say that is because it's hard for me to tell. I've never used a leave-in conditioner on my hair alone. If you watch my videos, you know before I twist my hair, I put a leave-in, a lotion, and I seal with extra virgin olive oil, and then I twist my hair. I did not do that this time, of course, because I wanted to give y'all the best review that I could on the products themselves, not with other products that I use on a regular basis. So would I use this product again alone? No. Would I try this product with my lotion and olive oil? Of course. I like the way the product smells. I like the way the product felt on my hair. It was not heavy, even though the conditioner and the protein power treatment are very thick. This product was not thick. It did not weigh my hair down at all. So like I said, I like the consistency of the product. Once I did spray it and rubbed my hand on it, I felt like it gave my hair a bit of a shine. I don't think this is a bad product. I just think that I need to try it again in addition to the other stuff that I put on my hair. So all in all, I felt like the Repair Multi-Action Leave-In was average for me. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. This balm is $9.99. Now, according to the directions on this product, it says apply to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends, style as usual. Now, I did read all the directions before I use these products, but again, I was trying 5 products for y'all, so by the time I got to the end, I totally forgot. So when the first section of hair that I twisted, I would consider it wet as opposed to damp. However, I did go ahead and put some of the split end balm on the end of it. I was like, well, I'm gonna put it over all of it just because I want to see if it's gonna work. So I wasn't sure if I got the full effect from it, but I did it anyway. But again, this balm should be used on damp hair or dry hair. Now, the packaging of the product. So this product is a solid, and I don't know if I mentioned this in the other video when I did the PR unboxing, but you really have to rub your finger in it in order to warm it up. It kind of reminds me of y'all remember that old school, that beeswax people used to put on hair, like if they were getting ready to curl. Even when people were curling hair, they would use like their orange beeswax. People would dip their hand in it and use it. Or when people do like box braids and stuff like that, they be using some type of wax sometimes, like on the edges or on the ends. That reminds me of this. However, I do feel like those particular products were easier to get out of the container than this one. The only reason why I say that is I'm used to twisting my hair. While I'm twisting my hair, I have my lotion, my oil, or whatever, you know, where I can just, you know, get my finger and just rub it, and boom, I can keep twisting. This, you know, you have to make sure it's on a flat surface, of course, and while you're twisting, you twist and twist and twist and, you know, stop, and then have to, you know, really warm the product up in order to get it out. Or you can just get your finger and scrape some of it out with your finger and rub it together. Either way is fine. So I felt like from that standpoint, the first couple times I tried it, I had to get the hang of it in order to get the product out. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the product. I actually like the product. I do feel like it works. I will say this. This is specifically for your ends. Do not be putting this throughout your hair and then saying, my hair fell out, it broke my hair out, I don't know what's going on, my hair feels heavy. It's for your ends, okay? Your ends only. That's what I think. I don't plan on putting this on any other part of my hair but my ends like I did. Again, if you have very thin hair, very fine hair, this may weigh your hair down. If you have very dry hair like I do, your ends will love this. Once I twisted my hair all the way to the end, dipped my finger in here and rubbed it on the end and finished twisting, voila. Okay, so I actually like the split end balm. It gave my ends a bit of an oil. What I mean by that is I usually seal my ends with extra virgin olive oil. Once you warm this product up, it does turn out to be like an oily consistency, which is really good. But other than that, I liked it. So those are the 5 products. If you want to try something from the line, I would recommend, let me see, definitely the conditioner, the protein power treatment, and the split end balm. I feel like the makeup of the line is to hydrate your hair, repair your hair, add moisture to your hair. And I did feel like the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner did those, but I also felt like they were kind of like you probably could get those same products in every other line. So I felt like you didn't need it unless you just want to try the entire line. But in order to really see the moisture that you're trying to retain for your hair, and to I guess do a better job with your split ends, I would say these 3 products would be the ones that I would go to first from the line. If you want to add the other things later, then cool, but you definitely, it will not be a waste of money for you to get this protein power treatment, okay? Like, this is legit. The conditioner is thick, the split end balm. Like I said, these other 2 were average for me, but they were not bad products. Now, I'm going to continue to use the shampoo because I have it, and everybody needs to clean their scalp, okay? And with the leave-in, I'll give y'all an update on that because I do plan on trying the leave-in again with my usual products that I use. So, that is the end of this review. I hope it wasn't too long. I just wanted to be very thorough and give y'all the honesty on how I feel about these products. If you have tried any of the products, let me know. Or if you've already ordered them, if you know anyone has tried them, let me know as well. Y'all know I stay in that comment section and I like replying to y'all and just sharing ideas and things of that nature. So I just want to say thank you guys for all the support that I get on my channel. I really appreciate it. So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.